Now, your Alaska Link weather for Anchorage and South Central.
Hi everyone, use extreme caution out the door here on our Tuesday morning. Overnight, we'll see temperatures locally maybe around 33, 32 degrees. And it's enough to change over some of this rain over to a little freezing rain, maybe some flakes of snow mixing in as well. And those winds are very powerful through the early part of the overnight, especially. We do have high wind warnings that continue officially until 6 a.m. here on our Tuesday. However, we should begin to see those winds die off somewhat. Anyhow, we're looking at the potential of up to 75 miles per hour in a few locales. Locally around 44, again, that kind of peaks right around 2 a.m. and then we'll see it slowly diminish. Waking up in the morning, still some wind gusts around 30 to 35 miles per hour, for example. And we'll have additional rain and snow, mainly some snow during the overnight and rain during the afternoons. And we'll have two more storms to contend with. Wave moving in, especially by the weekend. We'll have a powerful, substantial wave, and it looks a little bit warmer. So again, rain during the afternoon, some snow during the overnight, and kind of a rain-snow mix at times. And so an additional 2 inches of snow is possible, heavier in the mountains. Thompson Pass also looking at another 1 foot to possibly up to 2 feet of snow through tomorrow. And another 2 to 4 inches or so here this weekend. Again, a lot of that coming during the overnight and then changing over to some rain. So will we actually be able to measure 2 inches? It depends on exactly when and how you add that up. So you can see that kind of coming in out of the south. The main wave is going to be plowing into the Panhandle region. Then we have our second one that's going to start moving in, and it looks to arrive sometime maybe Thursday, Friday. So here we are locally. You can see some of that rain-snow mix and some of the snow in the mountains. And again, could be heavy at times, some breezy winds, and they'll begin to diminish a little bit out here on Tuesday. And we'll get several more waves. So an unsettled pattern, it continues even into next week. But along with it, we should see temperatures a little bit above average. So here's a kind of a look, a sketchy look at some of the snowfall amounts. And you get into the whites there, and that's well over a foot. We'll be around 33 to some mid-20s in some spots, to mid-30s, Seward around 35. So for the day, Tuesday highs topping around 37, the Kenai around 40 to 36 in Seward. So again, kind of a rain-snow mix. And we'll see that begin to taper off after Wednesday morning. We get a little break Wednesday afternoon, and then more will be on the way into the day on Thursday. And the winds will crank up again for the day Thursday. So watch out for some strong winds Thursday into Friday, and again into the weekend, and next week stays unsettled.